Welcome to another Mixology Monday. We got Jordan, I'm Robbie. It's cold, it's January. We got a cold January style drink, right? What are we making today, Jordan?
We're gonna make the Winter Daiquiri.
Nice, sounds good.
Yeah.
All right, I see you have a shaker here, some fancy glasses. What's step one?
It's gonna be nice. So step one, we're just gonna take some of this ice and put it into the shaker.
I think I can handle that. All right, got some ice in the shaker.
Yep. Step two, I'm gonna add our rum. We're gonna use our Queen Charlotte's Reserve, the 1 year bottle for this.
That's why we make rum, to make Queen Charlotte.
It's my fave.
Gateway rum for the whiskey drinker.
Yep, exactly. We're gonna do like 1.5 ounces for one drink. So we're doing 2 drinks. I'm gonna do about a 3 ounce pour into the shaker. So
cool. Tom Cruise.
There we go.
All right. What's next, bud?
Next, we're gonna add some orange juice, some freshly squeezed orange juice.
All right. How much orange juice would you say goes into this?
We'll do like 3/4 ounce per drink. So
all right. So this whole orange should cover us.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. You can use any orange for this, but fresh squeeze,
can't beat it.
It's just so much better.
If you get it in the shaker.
Shake you, Bo. Okay, so we have our orange in the glass.
Yep. Now we're gonna add just a bit of maple syrup.
All right, just a tidge.
Yeah, I mean, you could do it to taste is what I say for this, just because I'm kind of hesitant on adding sweeteners.
All right, and a little bit more than I maybe normally would.
Yeah.
1/2 ounce.
Cool.
Cool.
Now we're gonna shake it up.
All right, it's my favorite part.
We'll just strain it into the glass. Nice.
All right.
We'll garnish with some cinnamon sticks.
Oh, this is a winter cocktail.
Yeah, fancy.
Ah, it smells so bright.
Good to go.
Clean. That's it, huh?
Yep.
All right, that's our Winter Daiquiri, folks. Hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. The recipe will be in the description below, along with links to our social media and our website for other YouTube videos about us doing fun things in the distillery, mostly making drinks.
Yeah.
Cheers. Happy winter.
Happy winter.